How to use TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use TikTok or the basics of using TikTok. Simply open up app and you'll get an interface like this. Now here at the home option you'll be able to see For You page where you'll be recommended videos, and on the following option at the top of your screen you'll be able to see videos from the people that you follow by tapping on following. Now to be able to view live, you'll find the little live icon at the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on live and you'll be able to view lives from here. So similarly, now to head into your profile, what you can do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be headed into your profile. Here you can see my profile. You'll be able to see your followers, following, likes here by tapping on followers list and then tapping on following option here, and you can edit your profile by tapping on edit profile, and you can change your photo, change your name, username, bio and other websites. You can add it from here. So these are the basics of TikTok. Now to post a video, what you can do is simply tap on plus icon at the bottom of your screen here, and then you'll be able to add photos. Here you can add effects if you want. From effects option you can choose trending or new ones. You can upload it from your gallery as well, or you can upload stories, templates, and you can go live by tapping on live here, simply heading into live option, and you can choose features here and go live. So these are the basics of using TikTok here. And if you want any account settings or help, what you can do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen there, and you can head into creator tools, my QR code, or settings and privacy here, and you can see various settings here: account settings, privacy settings, security settings, balance, share profile, contents and display, and such. So these are the ways you can use TikTok. You can save video by opening up video and then tap on three dots option along the video, and you can save them, or you can pin them on your profile. Or if you want to repost a video, you can simply tap on three dots, and if the video has the repost option, you'll find it right here. You can comment on any video by tapping on comment icon. You can like any video by either double tapping or tapping on the heart icon here. So this way you can use TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.